Do you know a fact? The Sun and Earth is approximately 150 million kilometers apart. But still we are experiencing an intense hot feel when it is a sunny day. Most of us have experienced something when we are cooking or having some hot items. We may left the spoon in the dish for a quite long and get hurt when touching back the spoon. We feel comfortable on a hot and sweating day when we enter into a room with fan in it. But the question is, how we are feeling the heat from the object that is actually 150 million kilometers away. How the spoon that placed in soup hot heated. And how fan made the room cool. Behind all these questions, there lies an important concept called heat transfer. In this video, we are going to learn about what is heat transfer and what are its modes. Welcome to Mr. Smart. Serving knowledge to make you smart. Heat transfer is the process by which the heat energy is exchanged between objects or systems due to temperature difference. Ideally, the heat transfer occurs in three modes or mechanisms: conduction, convection, and radiation. All three modes differs in the method of exchanging the heat and being experienced or noticed by us every day. In conduction, the transfer of heat energy takes place when the objects or systems are in direct physical contact. When an object is heated, all the atoms in direct contact with heat energy source start to vibrate vigorously, transferring its energy to the nearby atoms, making them to vibrate too. This is how the heat energy is carried throughout the object, and also with the object that is in direct contact with it. This mode of heat transfer continues until the temperature of heat source and object becomes equal. We call this state as thermal equilibrium state. This is how your spoon, which is kept in direct contact with hot soup, gets heated. Until it attains thermal equilibrium, that is, the temperature of soup and spoon is equal, the heating of spoon continues. Convection is a mode of heat transfer, in which the transfer of heat energy occurs due to movement in molecules of fluids, due to density difference. For demonstration, we can take the container and fill it with some amount of water in it. When the container is heated, the water molecules that are in direct contact with container gets heated. Generally in fluids, the density decreases whenever the temperature is increased. Naturally, the fluids with low density will always stays up and the fluids with high density settles down. So, the hot water molecules at bottom moves towards top of the container and cold water molecules moves down. When the heating is further continued, the water molecules that are in direct contact with container gets heated and the movements of fluid molecules continues until there is no density variation. This is what happens in a room with fan. The fact is, fan don't actually cools the room. They circulates and force the air in the room towards you. When the air molecules are in direct contact with your skin, they get heated by your body temperature and their density becomes less. When this hot air moves up, the chill air from the floor level or outside the room moves towards you, making you feel chillness. What if the room is closed or the air outside room is also hot? Over the time, you feel hot even the fan is continuously operating. This is the reason why you are feeling hot at summer or in a closed room, even your fans are being operated continuously. In radiation mode of heat transfer, the heat energy is transferred irrespective of the medium of propagation. Generally, the energy transfer occurs in the form of electromagnetic waves. All the hot bodies radiates heat energy irrespective of medium and direction. They emits the hot electromagnetic waves in all direction, which heats up the body wherever they hit with. This is how the heat energy from sun reaches us. Hope you have learned about heat transfer and its modes in detail. Like, subscribe and click the bell button to receive contents more instantly. Thanks for watching.